In this video, we will be looking at the top 3 best tips for the colour page in DaVinci Resolve 18. Whether you are a beginner or pro, these tips will help you become the best editor you possibly can. Hi, my name is Vortex DaVinci and let's get started. Tip 1. Understand the colour page interface. The first tip is to make the colour page more familiar to you. Take your time to explore the various panels such as the node editor, the gallery, and stuff like the colour wheels or all of these tools here. Just look at them and have a little go. Understanding how these tools work will greatly enhance your colour grading workflow. Tip 2. Utilize the secondary colour correction tools. Tip 2 is to explore and utilize these tools. DaVinci Resolve offers secondary coloring tools that allows you to help with your footage. An example is high dynamic range color wheels. Name is right there. And it's just like these basic ones here, but it's a bit more fancy when you use it. So if you want it to be more green, you could make it a more brighter green or like a more darker green, depending on how you want it. So this is like a more detailed version of the basic color wheels. Tip 3. Using LUTs. Last but not least, tip number 3, using LUTs. So right up here, if you press on it, it will show up and it should look a lot like this. LUTs is like basically a bunch of color designs. So if you, for instance, go onto one and pick the one that you want. So I might want this one. I'd press onto it and then I'd drag it and then I'd put it on, and then you can see how it looks now. And I'll use a different one to show an example. So you can see there's like differences. Thank you for joining me today as we explore the top 3 best tips in DaVinci Resolve 18 for the colour page. And if you have any questions or suggestions for videos, please leave them in the comments down below. We love hearing from our community. If you did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe, and I may see you in the next one. Bye!